So I had this idea a while back to make another version of my remote shifter that works with a short chrome stick from Hurst. So I'm testing it out here in my dad's 04 Silverado we built last year. It's a factory 5-speed truck with the NV 3500. And the shifter is going to be the same as my other two versions. It's just adapted to work with this stick. So I wanted to make this short little video to show the throw, drive around a bit, see what it's like, see if there's any interest in a shifter with this style. So let me know down below, leave a comment or send me an email if you're interested. I may add a few of these to the next batch of shifters I make.